Hello. Here's something interesting. Why investment advice should not be taken for granted. In a world where every opinion is available in a few seconds and investment advice comes from all directions, from friends, relatives, influencers, video creators, to anonymous comments on social networks, it's easy to fall into the trap of believing that simply following someone is enough to become a successful investor. But that is one of the biggest and most expensive misconceptions of modern times. Investment advice, no matter who it comes from, should not be taken for granted, because advice is never universal, never complete, never carries your reality, your goals, your emotions, your situation. Advice is just a word, but life is much more complex than words. Why investment advice is a topic we will explore in detail in this article. Petra Miljić's infographic explains why investment advice should not be taken for granted. The first thing you must understand is that advice does not reflect truth. Advice reflects perspective. A perspective can be accurate, but it can also be wrong. It depends on the experience of the person giving the advice, on their financial situation, on their risk tolerance, on their current mood, on the emotional charge they carry. Advice. Thanks for watching. Share with friends.